Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your number to Lycamobile easily so you can keep your current number when switching networks. First, get your PAC code from your current provider. Just text PAC to 65075. It's free and you'll receive your code within minutes. Next, insert your Lyca mobile SIM card and make sure it's activated. Then go to lycamobile.co.uk or your local Lyca mobile website. Under the support or help section, tap on port your number. Enter your PAC code, your current number, and your Lyca mobile number, then submit the form. And that's it. The transfer usually takes one working day. During the switch, you might temporarily lose service, but don't worry, that's normal. Once complete, you'll receive a text confirmation that your old number has successfully moved to your Lyca mobile SIM. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.